Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Bolognese pasta. This pasta was really good and I can't wait to share the recipe with you guys, so let's get started with the video. You're going to want to start by prepping your ingredients. First, dice 1 onion. One rib of celery. And 1 carrot. Next, shred some Parmigiano-Reggiano and some Parmesan cheese. In a large pot, add olive oil over medium heat. Then add 1.5 pounds of ground meat. I'm using turkey meat, but you could use beef. Once you've added your ground meat, season it. The seasonings I used were seasoned salt, Creole Seasoning, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Then cook your meat until it is browned. Once your ground meat is cooked, take it out of the pan and set it to the side. When you're finished, add 3 ounces of diced pancetta. Cook your pancetta for 6 to 8 minutes or until crispy. You should be able to get pancetta from the deli at your local grocery store, which is where I got mine. Make sure to ask for thick slices or the dinner cut, and then dice it at home. Once your pancetta is cooked and crispy, add 1 cup of your diced onions, your diced celery, and your diced carrot. Sauté your vegetables with the pancetta for about 5 minutes. Once you've sautéed your vegetables, add your ground meat back into the pot. Then add 1 cup of white wine and let the wine simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the wine is almost completely evaporated. After that, add 1/3 cup tomato paste. Then stir your tomato paste in with everything and let it cook until it is darkened. This should take about 5 minutes. When you're finished, add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and 2 cups of chicken broth. Next, add 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg and 2 bay leaves. Reduce your heat to low and then allow your sauce to simmer for 2.5 hours. During this time, the liquid should reduce and your sauce should become thicker. 2 hours into letting your sauce simmer, add a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon basil, 1/4 teaspoon thyme, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. Next, stir in 1 cup of milk. Adding milk to your Bolognese sauce makes the sauce creamy and rich. Once you've stirred in your seasonings and your milk, let your sauce simmer for 30 more minutes. After 30 minutes have passed, take out your bay leaves, and add 1/4 cup of Parmigiano-Reggiano and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And that's it, you are all finished making your Bolognese sauce. Now we can cook our pasta noodles. In a large pot of water over high heat, add salt. Bring your water to a boil and add your pasta noodles of choice. I'm using fettuccine noodles, but you can use penne or spaghetti noodles. And make sure to save some pasta water for later. Once your pasta is finished cooking, in a pan over medium-low heat, add some spoonfuls of your sauce. Then add some of your noodles and mix the noodles with your pasta until everything is well combined. Don't forget to add a bit of your pasta water. When you're finished, place your pasta on a plate, add some Parmesan cheese and basil on top, and enjoy. And this is the finished result. The pasta was delicious. The sauce was rich, creamy, and flavorful. Bolognese sauce is pretty different from traditional spaghetti sauce, which is very apparent considering that celery, carrots, and milk were added into the sauce. The fresh chopped basil and grated Parmesan cheese made it even better. Usually with Bolognese sauce you'd serve it with pappardelle noodles, but I didn't have those type of noodles, so I just used fettuccine noodles, and it still worked out. Like I said, you could also use spaghetti or penne noodles. I've even seen people use rigatoni, so I don't think the noodles matter that much. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!